Today, I'm going to make classic vanilla ice cream. First, separate the egg yolk and the white egg. About 4 egg yolks. Our ingredients: sugar, whipping cream, egg yolk, vanilla powder, salt, and fresh milk. First step, we will beat the sugar and the egg yolks. In a bowl, add the egg yolks, and mix it on a medium speed. Then add the sugar, mix it until it will look like pale yellow color and it has airy for about 4 to 5 minutes. In a pan, heat the milk over medium-low heat, but not boiling. With the mixer, add the warm milk into the egg yolks and sugar mixture. Mix until thoroughly combined, about 3 minutes. Next, pour the milk and egg mixture back into the pan and heat over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. If you don't have any thermometer, heat it until it thickens. It should not be boiled. Just continue stirring it until it thickens. In a large bowl, add cold water, put on the top, pour the mixture over a cold water, stirring constantly. On a bowl, Add the whipping cream. Mix it on a medium speed. Continue mixing it until it thickens. Now it's ready. Now combine our egg and milk mixture. Gradually, you mix it and continue stirring at the same time. Now add the vanilla. And the salt. Continue, mix it. Use the mixer to mix in a medium speed. Now it's ready. And put it in the container. And keep 4 to 5 hours. After 4 hours, this is now our ice cream looks like. It's already thick. So now we will mix it again. By doing this will make our ice cream more creamy and soft. And it's finally ready. Keep in an airtight container and store in a refrigerator. The longer the custard base chills, the creamier your ice cream will be. Choose your favorite toppings. For me, I use peanuts. Presenting my version of classic vanilla ice cream. So creamy and tasty. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching at Wilmas Kitchen. God bless.